Are you not making sales from your e-com product pages? Well, then this video is the perfect video for you, because in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your product pages to increase your conversion rates. My name's Oliver Kenyon. I'm co-founder of ConversionWise, and this is CRO Insights, episode number 71. So a quick bit of context, I've ran a CRO agency for the last 12 years, and when our customer approached us to increase their conversion rates on their product pages, this is exactly what we did. So I'm going to show you the before design, the after design, and everything else in between. Make sure you stick around to the middle of the video, because there's some really important tips that anyone can implement to skyrocket those conversion rates. So point number one, as you can see, our client was actually running a sale on this particular product, but they didn't make the most of it. They didn't make it easy to understand for the consumer that this sale was running. So images are a great way to do this. All we did is added a little tab at the top of the image that called out that discount. Secondly, we improved the usability around image sliders. So if you've got multiple images in your slider, then make sure you use these subtle little image thumbnails that give people a visualization that they can actually click and view more images. Point number three is we enhanced that all-important social proof. By default, most Shopify themes and e-com themes come with this small little user rating that says how many reviews you've got. You need to make more of it. Include people's pictures of their faces, because people really trust other people's opinions, and then include some really clever wording like the amount of happy customers you guys have served. Number four, when it comes to the pricing section, if you are running discounts, couple of rules. One, strike through price and new price, but most importantly, work out the actual savings for the customer. Split test or A/B test between a discount and a monetary saving, so the percentage versus the actual sum, but this will increase your conversion rates. And as you can see in point number five, we actually go one step further with some text that tells people exactly how they get that discount. Number six, we've got rid of these two-button approach. Instead, we've used a clear call to action with a contrasting color that really stands out. We pushed it further above the fold. We've used an icon to draw attention, and therefore it's going to get more clicks. Seven's a subtle one. We've just realigned and reorganized the payment seals. But really importantly is number eight. From data, we could hypothesize that people wanted to know exactly what was in this bundle. This is a bundle product, as you can see above, multiple products in one, so they're getting multiple items in one single purchase. So what we did is we used this very clever layout to actually showcase the value, therefore the perceived value is much bigger, that is within this single product when you purchase it. Why not check out more of these breakdowns on our YouTube channel, and make sure you subscribe. Get in contact with us if you'd like us to design you a higher converting landing page, and you can do that at ConversionWise.com or by clicking one of the links below the video. I'll see you in the next one, guys.